Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change PIN on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and of course type in Qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, and all those things. And in the middle of the screen, you can see that we have, of course, the book a flight. So you can go and book your flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change PIN on Qantas. So first of all, go to Qantas website, or of course, as I told you at the start of the video. Then make sure your contact details are up to date, as Qantas uses two-factor authentication to add security. Then navigate to your profile, so click here and then click on My Profile in the top right corner and select Personal Information, which is as you can see here. Then, as you can see, you need to go and put a security code. So a security code will be coming to your phone number, and you just need to go and enter the security code that just came to your phone number. Then when you click on it, click continue, and here you can find the PIN option and select it. So as you can see here, and then you just need to go and enter your new PIN, re-enter it, and just go and click update the details. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.